Back here in Colorado, Lisa, we've got another pleasant couple of days ahead of us, and then we drop off a little bit.
Within the next 24 hours, you're going to see that change. Waking up here this morning to 20s and 30s early on. It's going to be a chilly start. We'll get into the mid to upper 50s between noon and about 4 o'clock. So a nice wake-up forecast and temperatures that are going to be a few degrees above that seasonal norm. So a mild start to our week for this Monday. Next storm is going to hit tonight. It's going to bring more snow to the mountains, colder conditions for us here across the plains, and there's a slight chance for a little light snow. I'll show you the timing of that here in just a minute. Right now we're seeing some clouds down across parts of southeastern Colorado, some showers. We're just on the edge of some wet weather that's just off to the east of us. Denver's going to be under a mostly sunny sky this morning. Should be a beautiful start to the day. Take a look. Early on, it's cold. Teens in the mountains, down across the plains, we're mainly in the 20s and 30s. We'll get into the mid 40s by about 10 o'clock, and you're going to start to see more snow developing in through the central mountains at that point. Within the next 36 hours, it's not heavy snow for the mountains, but we'll pick up at least a few inches, especially over those high mountain passes. Mid to upper 50s for highs under a little mix of sun and clouds here this afternoon. Overnight tonight, we're going to start off with a clear sky, and then take a look early tomorrow morning, just about 24 hours from right now, we'll start to see some light snow developing. So there's a chance you're going to get some through the morning commute tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be enough to add up to anything that would make for a slick commute, but we'll keep an eye on it. If you are heading up into the foothills, you'll see some likely wet roads there, and temperatures will be down in the 20s and 30s by early tomorrow morning. Chance for some light snow early on, and then skies will gradually start to clear out, and later in the day and then through the evening we'll be under some clear skies and some cold conditions too. It's going to drop down into it looks like upper teens to even low 20s by early Wednesday morning. Today though, mid to upper 50s. There is going to be that chance for some snow in the mountains both today and tomorrow. Highs will likely be in the 30s. The winds are also going to kick up. That's going to be another issue here within the next couple of days. Gustier conditions, so you may see some areas of blowing snow over those high mountain passes next couple of days. Here in town tomorrow, it's going to be chilly, breezy. We'll see highs right around about 40 degrees with that chance for some light snow, especially in the morning hours. Here's a look at the warm up, and not much of one tomorrow. We'll start off in the 20s and then get into the mid to upper 30s. So it's going to be about 15 to 20 degrees colder than what we're going to see here today. Then we bounce right back to near 50 on Wednesday, and then what a beautiful end to the week. Even warmer, low to mid 60s. I still have snow in my yard, and it may not go away until next June,
no,
but
not.
We'll see a lot of melting again by Thursday.
I know, my wife and I were just talking about that driving through the neighborhood, where you go winter on one side and it's spring on the other.